Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I posted. I'm sorry. But it's just been so hard to catch fish recently, because it's been so dang hot. But it's finally starting to cool off where you can actually go outside. So hopefully there'll be more videos, and I'm actually gonna be bass fishing tournaments on a bass boat, so that'll be cool. And that's what this video is gonna be about. We went out to Toledo Bend to do some pre-fishing for our tournament next week, and yeah, this is how it went. We started off fishing this little cove with topwater frogs because there was a bunch of grass and we weren't catching anything, so I picked up a natural colored Senko, and yeah. Oh, there's a little gar right here. Stinking launch that thing. And then on my second cast, this happened. Oh my god!
Got after it as soon as it hit the water, huh?
Yeah, he's still on it.
There he is. Little... Right.
Dinkerton.
Hey, that's fine. That starts the day off, Bubba.
Oh my god! Only on a Senko. I thought he was a good fish when he hit it.
That's what we're gonna find up here right now. We need to get out here in the community hole.
Oh my god! Stop flopping, buddy. There you go. First little Dinkerton of the day. Later on in the day, we were fishing another big pocket, and I was throwing a natural colored Senko again.
When we were on
and this
Conroe.
happened.
I don't want to see it on Conroe. I want to see it now.
Well, we ain't fishing skipping stuff.
Skip anywhere. See those Chinese dudes when they skip? Jesus.
No.
You haven't seen that? Chinese dudes do it with one hand, record the other.
Oh, the one with the buzz toad? That's fish. Got him big, big. No.
Oh no, come on.
No.
Come off.
Yeah.
Was it big?
That was a big one. Oh my god.
They're just torn.
What are you waiting for her to cut it?
Gosh, dang it. After I lost that fish on a natural colored Senko, I decided to pick up a natural colored chatterbait after the wind picked up, and then this happened. Got him.
Looky there.
Damn tie.
Is that on the chatterbait?
Yeah.
About to wear me out.
I'm already wore out.
There we go. Nice chunky one. He's been eating up on shad. Holy moly. Look at that chunky.
You got some of these yellow baits, huh?
Dennis, that guy's chunky.
Yeah.
5 minutes in with that chatterbait. Less than 5 minutes.
Oh, that's a natural color chatterbait too.
That green pumpkin.
So, what's that telling us?
They're eating bluegill.
Vibration reaction.
No. What's it telling us? Here we are fishing shad patterns, and he's throwing naturals and gets bit twice with natural color. We've been throwing whites all day long. He picks up watermelons and gets bit twice.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And because we thought they were hitting green pumpkin, we decided to both tie on green pumpkin chatterbaits, and after a while, this happened. Nice! It's a pattern. You need some land? Okay. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Nice.
Slam this.
Nice.
Oh, all right, well, I appreciate that.
I think it's a pattern. After we finished that pocket, we went out to a little island at the front of the cove and hooked up again.
All right, boys. Chatterbait it is, huh?
I think it's tiny.
Golly, that's a crap load of bait. That's a fish. There we go, baby.
What color jackhammer you throwing?
I'm not throwing a jackhammer. It's a green pumpkin thunder cricket.
What color is yours?
I'm like a purple brown.
There we go. Third fish of the day.
What? Let's have some orange in it.
After that, we went and fished a little bit more, but we went in and woke up the next morning. Wasn't recording that day, but we caught the most fish out of both of the days. We caught 12 fish that day on top water. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.